Hey, good morning, guys. Blessings and abundance be upon you. Welcome back to Firm Life. Still early morning. I just got up, just got out of bed, and that's why I'm speaking softly because Pussy is still in bed. Thank you so much for joining me. Right now, I'm in my kitchen and the place is smelling like fresh guavas because I left some ripe guavas on the counter. So, you know, but let's go outside and get this meditation started. I've been blessed with this beautiful view in the countryside where I live, and all of this is kind of like my backyard, and this is where we're going to do our meditation. So let's go. Yeah, it's a bit of a rough terrain, but it's a blessing. So let's get it, man. So all of this is the backyard. It's pretty big. Soursop trees and guava trees and palm trees. So this is the spot right here. Yes. Blessings in abundance, right? Sun is just about to come up. Perfect time, perfect spot. Let's get it. Okay, guys, so we're finally at the spot. Got this really beautiful spot in the yard, and we're about to begin this meditation. So this morning I'm going to take you guys through a guided mindfulness meditation session. And it's one of the meditations that I do when I wake up in the morning, usually. And if you know mindfulness meditation, it's all about grounding yourself in the present moment, in the now. And this morning we're going to use the breath as our anchor. Okay, so just sit comfortably. Remember that you don't have to sit in a lotus pose, but it's important that you sit comfortably with your back erect and your feet flat on the floor. You can if you choose to, or you could have your legs folded. So your palms on your hips, palms of your hands on your hips, and we're going to relax the body from the toes all the way to the top of the head. So close your eyes. So relax in the toes and feel that relaxation moving through the feet up to the ankles. So we're basically doing a body scan. Feel the relaxation move up through the calves to the knees, thighs, hips, pelvis, the stomach, chest, lower back, upper back. Feel the relaxation moving through your fingers, hands, lower arms, upper arms, shoulders, neck, chin, lips, nose, face, head. Feel your entire body relaxing, 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 relaxing. And if you listen carefully, you could hear the sounds of the animals, the birds, the chickens. So let's tune into those sounds. You could even hear other animals. Let's tune into the sounds in the surrounding. Now we're going to bring the awareness to the soles of the feet. sensation at the soles of the feet, and just keep the attention there as best as we can, ignoring all other sensations in the body. Move the awareness up to the sensation or sensations at the buttocks and hips, sitting on the chair. And hold it there. Move the awareness up to the breath. So just focus on the breathing without altering it in any way, without seeking to change it. Just focus on the breathing as it is in its natural rhythm. You can focus on the sound of the breath as well as the breathing movements of the chest. Hold your awareness with the breath, on the breath, ignoring all else, sensations in the body, itching, scratching. Thoughts may come and take your awareness away. Thoughts about plans for the day, thoughts about what you're going to have for breakfast, thoughts about all the work you have to get done today, all the problems you need to solve. Just gently bring your attention back to the breath whenever this happens. This is training the mind to be one-pointed and focused. And this is also taming the mind so it becomes less wondrous and less all over the place. So keep the awareness on the breath, sound of the breath, and the breathing movements. And every time the attention drifts to anything, thoughts, feelings, sensations, you simply gently bring it back to the breath and to the breathing. Nothing to feel guilty about. Drifting of the awareness is a natural occurrence, particularly at the beginning when you just start meditating. You could also use the sounds in the surroundings, birds, the animals, anything that is consistent. This is mindfulness meditation. This is grounding your awareness in the present moment, in the now, in what is. And this is also training the mind to become one-pointed, sharpening the mind, strengthening the mind. So let's bring the awareness back down to the sensation at the hips and the butt, sitting on the chair. Bring the awareness back down to sensation at the soles of the feet. And then out into the environment. Sound of the wind. Sounds of the birds. Thank you so much for joining us for this guided meditation session. It was a pleasure and honor to have you. Please let me know if you want me to make more videos like these in the comment section below. More videos in my backyard. I've made a couple videos in the backyard, but I'm getting back to it, so just wanted to shout out also Miss Arupa Pasad, who's always encouraging me to do videos like these outside in the backyard, in the space, because I live in the countryside and there's a lot of beautiful scenery around, but it's not always possible to, to come outside. Sometimes the weather, even right now, it's a bit gloomy, and just sometimes work, online teaching and all that stuff. But it was a pleasure and honor to have you. Please let me know what you thought of this video in the comment section below. Like and subscribe if you want more videos like this, and share this with a friend who might find it helpful. Meditation is something which was so super powerful in my life and truly helped me to overcome so many challenges. So this is just one of the things that I share on the channel. So thank you so much for joining, and peace and love to you. Blessings and abundance be upon you. From love.